How to use OBS Studio to record screen. First, make sure you have OBS Studio installed on your computer, then open the program. Look at the bottom of the OBS Studio window. You'll see a section labeled Sources. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of this Sources section. This will open a menu with different source options. From the menu that appears, click on Display Capture. This option lets you capture everything that happens on your screen. A new window will pop up asking you to create or select a source. Type in a name for this source. It can be anything you like, such as Screen Capture or My Display. After typing the name, click OK. Another window will pop up showing the properties of the display capture. Usually, the default settings are fine, so just click OK again. Look at the right side of the OBS Studio window. You'll see a set of controls. Click on Start Recording. This will begin recording whatever is happening on your screen. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Happy recording, and see you in the next video.